Idle Empire seems like an easy way to earn extra money just by doing simple tasks, but there has been some updates, so does it still work? I decided to test it again, no hype or BS or anything, and in this video I will show you exactly how much I earned, how long it took, and whether it's still worth your time. And yes, I also got payment proof, so let's dive in. So I have now logged into Idle Empire, and in case you don't know, my name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I have talked about Idle Empire before, but there has been some big updates, and let's just quickly go over how you can then earn now. And especially when we come to the payout options, there has been some big changes we definitely need to talk about, and that's also when I will show you payment proof. But I will also quickly go over how you can actually earn, and it is a platform that is 100% free to join, and you can join from basically all countries. It has several ways to earn. You can see here you can take paid surveys. It has offer walls and offers. So offers are just kind of select offers, but offer walls are where you can go and find these different providers, and then you can go and find the offers for each of these here. So it has quite a lot of different paid offers. They also do pay decently. The surveys pay decently. I would say it's around average. It also does have this option to watch some videos. In general, watching videos will not earn you a lot, and that's also the case here on Idle Empire. So definitely the least effective way to earn here. But these are the main ways to earn. It's quite easy to do. The rewards are just not the absolute highest for get paid to sites, but they are definitely decent. But we need to definitely talk about the payout options, because that's one of the most important things to consider when you choose a get paid to site you want to use, because there are hundreds of different sites, and I have tested hundreds also. And one big decider is of course how much you can earn and different earning methods it offers, but also does it offer good payout options, not high fees, does it pay fast, and which option does it offer? Does it offer payout options that you actually like? So let me jump to the withdrawal section, then I also show you how to get paid and talk about some of these big changes that I have seen on Idle Empire since I first talked about it here on my channel. So I have now jumped to the withdrawal section, and you can see the different options here, and there might be some differences depending on your country, but you can actually search here for all countries. Right now I'm just seeing for all countries, and it does offer quite a few different types of rewards and gift cards especially. Just be aware that some of them are not available in all countries. For example, if we look at a Netflix gift cards, then you can see in Europe you can get one, and also in the US. The exact payout threshold really depends on your chosen reward. Here you can see it's around $15 or so, but for some rewards, if we jump back to the first page here, you can see, for example, for Binance gift cards, then it starts already at 50 cents. So a very low payout threshold, but I think that it has really developed into a direction that I don't really like compared to what it used to offer, because it used to offer also PayPal cash, and then it removed that, but then it still offered quite a lot of different cryptos that you could get paid into a Coinbase account, and you could choose from 10, 20 cents and all the way up to getting paid $100 or so. And you can see I actually have earned around $100. We'll talk about the overall earning potential, how long this has taken, and all that in just a bit. We'll just first show payment proof and talk about these different options and which are the best. But you can see, for example, now for Binance, this is now the only way to get paid in crypto. Actually, you can also get it paid in per year, so we'll just talk about that in just a bit. But you can see the maximum is $5, so that might be good if you just want to earn a little bit, but it's a weird maximum that you can't, for example, get $50 or $100 or even 10 or 20 out. So for example, for me now, if I wanted $100 out as a Binance gift card, I would have to do this 20 times, so it's just inconvenient, and that's kind of the only crypto now. You can also get Amazon gift cards, but not for all countries, and many of these gift cards, it's not necessarily some that I can use in my location. So the options for me anyways are very limited compared to what they used to be, but it of course all depends what you prefer. If you want $5 Binance gift cards, then it has good options. If you want Amazon gift cards, you can see, for example, here and you live in one of these countries there, then you can get it. The payout threshold, again, it varies depending on where you live. But again, for example, you can't in Germany earn 50 euros and then take out 50 euros. You would have to take out several gift cards. So it's quite inconvenient like that. But anyways, let's check then if it still pays here. So I will then use Payout because it's just more convenient. I want to show you how to take out $50, and that's one of the only methods here I can use for that. So I would just choose Payout. Payout, there you can both get cash. You can also easily get it into crypto when you are on Payout. It's not a payout option I actually usually use. I only use it here for Idle Empire now after they have changed the payout options, and it doesn't currently have a lot of other great options for me, at least where I am located. But then I would just choose these $50 here. And the reason I don't choose the full amount is that I also want to keep some maybe for some gift cards or some other things also. And you can see then you need your Payout account ID. So if you have a Payout account, you just go in there, you log it in and you get it there. So I'll just paste that, and of course I'll blur it out for privacy reasons. And then you would need to click to continue. And then it just gives you an overview, and then I just need to confirm withdrawal. And you can see that is it. Then you just have to wait, and it says it will happen within the next 24 hours. So I will also leave a screenshot here on the screen when I get the payment there, and I will also there write exactly how long it took. But I have been paid by Idle Empire before, so I assume there will be no issues. If there will be, then I will definitely also let you know, but I will there write on the screen exactly how long it took. But let's now talk about how much you can overall earn and how long it has taken me to earn, for example, these $50 I have now taken out. So how much can you then earn on Idle Empire, and how long has it taken me to earn this? Well, I would say that $50 will take you some patience. Of course, how it is with all get paid to sites, how much you can earn depends on the earning methods you use and very much also the country you live in. In some countries, I would say it's realistic if you take a lot of service here, a lot of offers, to earn on some days maybe $5, $10, but in other countries, you will struggle to earn $1 or $2 per day, even if you put in a lot of effort. For me personally, quite a lot of my earnings here has also been from inviting people, because you can earn extra that way. Also, I've talked about it before, and some people wanted to support my channel and has therefore joined through my invitation link. That has given me quite a bit of this, but it has still taken me a long time. And you have to remember that I only earn when other people earn. So that's why I also, even though it's not one of the platforms I have used the most actively, I can see exactly how much people that join through my invitation link earn, and I can tell you that it does take some patience. It does pay, and it pays decently, I would say around average compared to many others, but it's definitely not one of the platforms where I've earned the most or where people that follows me have earned the most. But people do earn, I have earned, so it does pay, but it does take some patience compared to, for example, the top get paid to sites. So I will also leave a link below to a list I have of the top get paid to sites. But if you also want to join Idle Empire, because it is legit, it does pay, it can be worth considering as an extra one, then I'll also leave a link below for a full written tutorial at the top there. I also have a join link. You can join through that, easily get started. It will also support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that if you decide to join it. If not, then please let me know below why you don't want to use it, which platform you prefer instead. I would love to hear your experiences and opinions as well. And finally, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.